People always ask me why I chose to teach math rather than English, and I always tell them that fractions speak louder than words. Hi, my name is Chandler Shade, and today we are going to talk about how to create a choice board for your students to use in the classroom. Follow along and we will get started. Throughout this video, I am going to walk you through how to create a choice board for students to use in your classroom to get them to complete different tasks to engage their learning. The first thing we need to do is to create a title page. As you can see here, my title page has the title Fractions Choice Board by Chandler Shade, created on November 17th, 2019. You can change your title to fit whatever topic or theme you are doing. The next thing that we need to do is create the layout for the choice board. So I'm going to create another slide in our Google Slides presentation, and I'm going to title it Fractions Choice Board because that is what our choice board is going to be over. Here is an example of the choice board that I have created. So to create this, we need to create our boxes, which is going to tell us how many choices we have on our choice board. To do that, I went to Insert, Table, and I chose 2 by 2, which gave me 4 choices for my choice board. You can add as many choices as you want that is going to complete the task for your choice board. For me, 4 seemed to be enough. So once you have selected how many boxes you want for your choice board, you are going to go in, and I went ahead and labeled or added the title for each of my tasks on my choice board. The first task that I created was task cards. So once you have created a title, I need to add a picture to kind of give a preview over what the task or the choice is going to be over. To do that, I went to Insert, Image, search the web, and then you can search for whatever you want that is going to give a preview over what the choice is going to be. For mine, it's task cards, so I searched sticky notes to kind of show what a task card is. So when you have searched the picture that you want, you can click it and click insert. I have already inserted my picture, so I am not going to insert another picture. You can click on it and you can change it to be as big or as small as you want to fit in the boxes. Next to my task cards, I've put little asterisks, which if you come over here to my little key, says tasks with asterisks next to them must be completed first. So these are the 2 most important choices that they must get done on their choice board, and the others are kind of time fillers if they need more things to do until class ends. So once we have uploaded our picture, we need to actually give them the task. So I have gone in my Google Slides and I have created the task for them to do. Like I said for the first one, which is fraction task cards, I gave the title of it and I gave them the directions and the link to go to do their task cards for their choice board. Once I go back to my choice board, I'm going to click on the picture and I'm going to link that slide that takes them directly to the directions. So you're going to click on the picture, you're going to insert link. For mine, I went to slides in this presentation since I already created a slide that gives the directions. You're going to click on the slide that is the same for what your choice is. So for mine, it was slide 3, fraction task cards, and you're going to hit apply. So now when you click on the picture and click on the link, it'll take you exactly to the directions that the students need in order to complete the choice on their choice board. I did the same thing for these 3 other choices on the choice board. I titled it, inserted a picture from, again, the insert image, search the web, and then I clicked on the picture and inserted a link that corresponded with the choice board task. For my last 2, these were websites, so it was a little bit different. I titled it, I inserted the picture the same as before, but this time you are going to insert a URL from the website instead of a slide in the presentation. So all you have to do is go to the website, copy and paste the URL, and paste it right here and hit apply. So now when you click on the picture, it'll take you directly to the website that you are needed in order to complete the choice on the choice board. Once they have done that, I ask my students to upload their work into their Google Slides choice board. So just to go over what we have talked about, I created my choice board by creating the boxes by inserting a table for as many choices as I needed, inserted a picture from the search the web option on Google Slides, titled it, and link the corresponding slides or websites that go with the different choices on the choice board. Now that we have everything set up the way we want it, we can click present, which is going to take us to our choice boards. When you are in present mode, you do have to exit out of it in order to click the picture and to click the link. Once everything is how we like it, we are done. So thank you so much for watching my video on how to create a choice board for students to use in the classroom. Lastly, I have incorporated my copyright slide to show where I got all my information, my links, and my pictures. Thank you again for watching my video.